Welcome to the OneDesk Work Management Demo. OneDesk offers 3 different products: Help Desk, Project Management, and Work Management. Today, we'll focus on the Work Management product, which includes all features combined into one seamless tool. Work Management with OneDesk helps companies manage the entire client lifecycle, from the first request through project execution, ongoing support, and billing, all in one platform. With OneDesk, you can centralize all client work and communications, streamline processes, and ensure your team stays productive and organized, while giving your clients a professional and consistent experience. OneDesk works in the cloud or on-premise. It's flexible enough to fit your business needs. Let's start with the main OneDesk app. This is where your team works every day to manage client requests, projects, tasks, and billing. At the top, you'll find the main toolbar, where you can create new client requests, tasks, projects, or invoices, access bulk actions and imports to save time, search your entire workspace with the global search tool, access guides and tutorials in the Get Started menu, manage your OneDesk products or add new apps. On the left side, you'll see the User App sidebar. Apps determine what you see and manage in your workspace. For example, the Dashboard view gives you an overview of your and your team's work, while the Tickets app is where you'll view and work on tickets in detail. We'll explore these apps more closely later. Aside from the main app your agents use, OneDesk provides multiple channels for customers or end users to submit tickets, access self-service options, and stay updated on progress. These tools, called the customer-facing applications, make it easy for customers to reach your support team. You can easily add them to your website as a widget, via snippet or integration. Let's get an overview of the different customer applications. Messenger provides live chat between your customers and agents, letting you respond instantly and keep conversations organized. The built-in AI chatbot assists with customer conversations and ticket handling. The bot is trained on your knowledgebase articles, web pages, saved replies, and previous conversations, ensuring it only uses your company's content. If the bot can't find an answer, your team is notified to take over or follow up. The ticket portal allows customers to log in, view their ticket history, check progress, and communicate directly with your team. The web form makes it easy for anyone to submit a new request or report an issue directly from your website. You can specify required fields to ensure all necessary information is collected. The knowledge base serves as a self-service hub where customers can find answers to common questions, reducing repetitive tickets. With AI integration, customers can ask questions and get accurate summaries. All these apps can be customized and branded to fit your organization's look and feel, providing a seamless customer experience. Back to the main app. Work often starts with a client request or support issue. OneDesk makes it easy to capture these requests through multiple channels: email, live chat, web forms, phone, and more. You can connect your company's support emails so that incoming messages automatically become tickets. For example, when a customer emails your support address, OneDesk instantly creates a ticket, capturing the subject, message, attachments, and sender information. If the customer doesn't already exist in your system, OneDesk automatically creates a profile for them. You can also manage voice support directly from OneDesk, purchase a new number, or route your existing phone number into the system. You can answer incoming calls, store recordings, and link calls to new or existing tickets. In addition to phone and email, you can create tickets manually within the app, or let customers submit them through your web form or live chat. No matter how a customer contacts you, every interaction is captured, tracked, and managed in one place. Open a ticket from the grid to view its details. Every ticket includes the full conversation history, along with who it's from, what it's about, and what stage it's in. From here, your support team can reply directly to the customer and track progress from start to resolution. All customer replies, whether via email, chat, or the portal, are automatically added to the same ticket, so your team never loses context. Your team can quickly respond using saved replies and easily link articles or web forms to provide more information. You can simplify this workflow even further by using the AI assistant to recommend or generate replies automatically. As you send responses, automations update the ticket status so you always know where it stands. When a request is resolved, the ticket can be closed, and if the customer replies again, it reopens automatically, ensuring nothing is missed. Automations can also assign tickets to the right agents or teams, send acknowledgement emails, apply tags, and update statuses. You can also create internal conversations on a ticket for agent-only discussions. Internal messages remain private to your team, allowing collaboration behind the scenes without confusing the customer. You can tag teammates using @mentions or link other items using the hash symbol. Your team can also track time on tickets, start a timer while working, or manually log time via timesheets. Timesheets can help track productivity, measure workload, or bill clients. Within the Tickets app, tickets can be categorized by type, priority, or source, and organized into folders and views that match your workflow. You can create filtered views for open tickets, overdue requests, pending responses, or tickets from a specific customer. Each view is fully customizable, allowing every agent or manager to see what matters most to them. Let's take a look at creating projects. Projects let you group related tasks together, manage milestones, and track overall progress. To create a new project, go to the Add button and select Project. You can easily kick off new projects by building a new one from templates. Creating from templates lets you copy over details, tasks, and assignments to easily create new, similar projects. For now, let's create a project from scratch. Enter project details, such as the name and description, and add relevant teammates as members. After a new empty project is created, fill it with tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of your projects. Add all the details needed to complete the task. Add an assignee, prioritize the task, and add it to your project. Next, let's head to the Projects app. In the Projects app, you can see all your projects, organize your projects into portfolios, and monitor the status and progress. To see details of a specific project, just click to open from the grid. Here you can further monitor and define project timelines and details, including any links or attachments. Send messages to teammates about the project. Assign teams to specific projects. Monitor the planned hours, tracked hours, and project activity. Let's take a closer look at the Tasks app. This is the main place where you can plan work and track progress in detail. Click a task to open it from the grid. Here you can set planned due dates, update priorities, add details, or attach files. Communicate with your team using real-time messaging. You can tag teammates using @mentions or link other items using the hash symbol. Your team can also track time on tickets, start a timer while working, or manually log time via timesheets. Timesheets can help track productivity, measure workload, or even bill clients. Add notes to timesheets and track the current status of the task as you work. OneDesk's automations can also customize your workflow or cut back on manual work. For example, assign tasks to the right users, send messages, apply tags, and update statuses. The Tasks app helps teams stay organized, collaborate effectively, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. You can view tasks as lists, Kanban boards, calendar, workload, or Gantt charts, so you can work in the way that suits you best. From the Gantt, you can plan tasks and create dependencies. In the Kanban view, you can see the status of each task and update statuses interactively. You can create and save filtered or grouped views for overdue tasks, your assigned tasks, tasks in progress, and much more. Each view is fully customizable. OneDesk also includes a financials app, giving your team the ability to quote and invoice for time and projects. Create quotes for flat-fee projects or prepaid hours. You can quickly create quotes using your project templates or build one from scratch. After a quote is accepted, you can convert it directly to an invoice. You can also create invoices for billable time logged to tasks or tickets in client projects. Link invoices directly to client projects for complete transparency. Let's take a step back and look at the full client lifecycle in OneDesk. A client reaches out via email, chat, or web form. OneDesk captures the support issues or requests as a ticket. Request for a new project or service? You can quote directly in OneDesk. Tickets can be turned into tasks or remain part of a project. Create new projects easily using templates. Your team plans the work using Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or lists. Track time as you work on tasks or tickets. Tasks are assigned, deadlines tracked, and progress monitored in real time. After project delivery, ongoing client support is managed using the same system. Tickets track any follow-up work, issues, or maintenance requests. Time spent or flat-fee services are invoiced directly through OneDesk, ensuring accurate, timely billing. If you had a quote, you can now convert it directly to an invoice. By bringing all of these elements together, OneDesk gives professional services companies full visibility and control over every client interaction, every project, and every invoice. Next, let's look at some of the other key applications in OneDesk. The Messenger app is the central place for all conversations, including live chats, emails, portal messages, and internal team discussions. You can see any ticket or task linked to a conversation and navigate directly to its details. The Analytics app gives you insights into team performance and project outcomes. View charts and graphs to view key performance indicators, as well as identify trends and potential bottlenecks. Generate custom reports on your tickets, tasks, timesheets, and projects. You can send reports via email on a scheduled basis to automatically keep your team or managers informed. Analytics ensures you have a clear, data-driven view of your work. OneDesk's administration area gives you complete control over how your work management operates. Here, you can configure your company preferences such as working hours, language, and theme colors. You can also customize your entire work management flow. Create multiple tasks, ticket, or project types with unique statuses and workflows. Create custom fields to capture details specific to your company or projects. Integrate with existing tools using built-in integrations, Zapier, or the OneDesk API. Set up automations to automatically assign tasks based on project or priority. Update statuses when work moves forward, or send reminders to keep deadlines on track. Brand your customer-facing apps, Messenger, portal, and web forms with your logo, colors, and text. With OneDesk Work Management, professional services companies can capture client requests across multiple channels, plan and execute projects efficiently using tasks, milestones, and Gantt charts, provide ongoing client support seamlessly, track time and manage billing for both flat-fee, hourly projects, gain insights into performance, and improve operations using analytics. Everything is connected, giving your team full visibility and control, while delivering a professional experience for your clients. Thanks for watching this OneDesk Work Management demo. To learn more or start your free trial, visit onedesk.com.